1962 Volkswagen Beetle has just been sold. Guys, this car was on consignment. It was on my website for a little while, and a client called me up and said, hey, can you help me sell my Bug? And so what we like to do is, before we put a car up for sale on my website, we like to go through the car, make sure everything is working electrically, mechanically, and if there's anything that I feel would make the sale better for you, I will recommend certain things to be done. We got to come eye to eye on price, and we got to make sure that, you know, this car is going to go to the right owner. So when we did get this car, it did not have white walls on it. The electric was not sorted out. There was a pan. The rear driver's pan had a hole in it, so we had to patch that. We did have to drop the engine. So I'll show you here. So we did have to drop the engine. It did need a new generator. So we did a top end rebuild on the car. We did paint up the block, and we put new tar boards in the back. We put in new engine seals, things like that, to just make it correct. So now she runs beautifully. She had a tough time in the beginning running right. She was puttering and just had no power. But then we were able to get that all sorted out. Put new fresh air hoses on, new boots, new clamps, things like that, to make all the details right so the car can sell and not sit. And yeah, put it up, and it is on its way to Boston, Massachusetts. So we got it out of northern New York. It was a couple out of New York that had a vacation home. So upstate New York, they would just have this car up there on the weekends and tootle around. So this is a perfect high-end driver show car that we just sold, and perfect to go out for ice cream. She'll get up on the highway, do 60, 65 without a problem. So nice little buggy. So guys, we can sell for you. I can consign a car and sell it for you. I can find you a Bug. I can fix your Bug. I can build your Bug. So just head over to classicvwbugs.com for more information on that. If you need me to find you something, I can do that. If you need me to sell you a Bug, sell your Bug, I can do that as well. So yeah, just a quick video, guys. Really cold here in New York today. I mean, the weather's finally kicking in February, and I love Gulf Blue. Gulf Blue, 60, I believe 63 was the last year of Gulf Blue. Nice color. I think it's second though to one of my favorite blues, which is Sea Blue, which came in 64. A little bit darker than this, but this is a very attractive color. Screams Bug all the way. That 60s pastel blue look, very sweet. So this is a great car for somebody that's in the mid to high teens range, low 20s range. And if you want something like this, I can find it for you, and just give me a holler. So what do you guys think? Love to hear what your comments are in the comment section below. Again, it's not a perfect car. It's not a 100% you know, point show car. It's got a couple little things here and there on it, but overall the paint's real nice. It was done probably about 15-20 years ago. And 62 was the last year they had the cloth headliner. 63 was the first year they went to the vinyl, the perforated vinyl. So I do love the cloth stuff. And yeah, it's just 40 horsepower, fresh air, just classic Bug. And yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Peace.